Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, just click on Settings. Now scroll down just a bit, click on Bluetooth, and tap on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In order to continue, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, tap on this little icon next to the device, choose Unpair under Rename, and now they're disconnected, but you can always connect to the same one by clicking on it and follow all of these instructions again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!